Welcome to the channel, guys. Today we have a very special play to earn game that we're going to do a review of. We're going to go in great detail. I'm going to show you exactly why this particular game is one of the biggest in the industry and why it's creating a lot of ripples in the industry. Now, if you're interested in finding out about the project and who is behind this particular project and what is the utility of this play to earn game, stay tuned to the end of this video. I'm going to show you exactly what it is all about. BigTownChef.com is the website. I'm going to put the link of it in the description below of my channel, the Educational Network. You can head over there and check it out. Geno's Big Town Chef. It's powered by Burp, which is the token that they're using, and they have 10,000 Genesis Chef NFTs. And your ticket to Geno's Big Town Chef Play to Earn Farming, Trading, and Cook-Off Battle Game by Geno is available now. The pre-sale is going to come very soon, and the public mint is going to be very soon. And this is creating a lot of ripples in the industry. Everyone is waiting for it to come out, and everyone is ready to get their hands on it. This is going to be a massive play to earn game in the industry. Now, the Chef NFT is very interesting, and the way they've developed this project is very unique. The Big Town Chef game centers around your chef characters. This is based on the Chef NFTs. The Chef NFTs can be one of the number of character types, have different visual properties and skill attributes. There's 10,000 that are available, and this is your ticket to the metaverse's kitchen. 10,000 series of one chef NFT, a forever unique visual properties with superior in-game skill attributes, with plus guaranteed airdrops and exclusive early game access. And how do you get a pre-sale list spot? Is very easy. You join their Discord community. Guys, if you want to get reliable information about this particular play to earn game, you gotta join their Discord. The Discord is the only place to get up-to-date information and reliable information about any project. If you get information from anywhere else, take it with a pinch of salt, because the Discord is the place to be updated continuously about what's going on about a project. Now, looking at the news, which is very interesting, and I love the way that they've developed their website. They've given a very clear breakdown and up-to-date information continuously of what is happening with the project. As you can see, the Chef NFT will mint on the 7th and 8th of June. So lock that date down on your calendars, because it is going to be massive, and this is going to be sold out instantly. I've done a lot of reviews of different play to earn games and NFTs that are available on my channel, the Educational Network. You can head over there and check it out. And one of the major things that I've come across till now about a particular play to earn game or NFT is the fact that when you have a project and who have people behind that understand the strategy that needs to be developed and the strategy that needs to be implemented and executed, and they do it flawlessly, that particular project has the ability to not only just be scalable but also has the potential to be successful. The gameplay is very unique. The Big Town Chef game puts the players' farming, trading, and cooking skills to the ultimate test in the race to become the Big Town's most celebrated chef. You have different ranks and experience and rewards and NFTs and scholars, and it all starts with a food truck. The food truck is the Big Town's Chef game's dashboard and your chef's home for tracking its experience, his rewards, his managing his NFTs, and the chef scholars as well. The whole element starts around when you grow your ingredients on your chef's patch. The chef's patch is a piece of land that's owned by each chef, which is used to plant and grow ingredients to use as part of the meals in a cook-off battle. After that, you can trade ingredients in the farmer's market. The farmer's market is a decentralized marketplace where chefs can buy and sell NFT seeds, ingredients, consumables, and collectibles, and you can use the ingredients in a cook-off to earn rewards. You can complete in play to earn cook-offs in which chefs will battle each other to earn experience and rewards, and winners are determined by the consumer counts, meals returned, and the customer's tip. And combining all these elements together, you will have an element where you can actually earn. And once you have earned enough experience points, you'll be able to trade your rewards for a next generation chef avatar NFTs, and you will always find the best next generation chefs with the highest skills attributes at the chef schools. So this whole element, and combining this, you can clearly see that there's a lot of thought process that's gone into it. And one of the reasons this has become so big is because of its leadership, the individuals behind the project. Now, Geno, who's the legend chef himself, has a staff of a growing team of 35 members across product engineering, design, and marketing. And obviously, he is known best for his food-focused television shows and cookbooks. And Geno is one of the land's most famous celebrity chefs, personalities, and presenters. Geno currently operates in the Town Hall as head of the communication, culture, and tourism, leveraging his social powers to engage with food-loving audience and brands alike. You can check him out on Twitter, you can check him on Instagram. And I personally feel the way this project has developed and the way Gina has put everything together is absolutely brilliant. And you can sense the fact that this has a lot of potential to become one of the biggest play-to-earn games in the industry. The NFT character development, the way the artists have created this NFT is very unique, and the people and the team that has come together to create this element are very, very unique in themselves. They have so much experience in the cooking industry, in the food industry, in the NFT industry, in the play-to-earn industry. They understand what strategy needs to be built, how that strategy needs to be created, how that strategy needs to be executed, and combining all these elements together, they're able to bring a successful project to the market, the project that has an ability to be scalable and successful. There's different game experience that are available, and there's a lot of partners that are available as well, like the Sandbox, BitGo, PCB groups. There's different investors that are on board as well, as you can see. Now all of these combined, they're able to actually develop a successful project. So if you're thinking about actually investing in this particular NFT and play-to-earn game, I would highly suggest that you do. They have their own token, the Burp, and that's to power the play-to-earn game ecosystem. And the Big Town Chef's game Play-to-Earn will be powered by Burp this day, and players will be required to hold and spend the token to access the cornerstone features and earn rewards as part of the Big Town Chef gameplay. And the token is also set to play a huge role in the project as early as the lead up to the Chef NFT sale. So watch out for this space. They're available on KuCoin, Gate.io, and Uniswap as well, where you can get the coin from. You can put your email address and get regular updates as well. And they're available across all the platforms that are available on the internet, be Twitter, Facebook, Discord, Telegram, Instagram, LinkedIn, YouTube, or OpenSea. Every single social media handle is available. So guys, you gotta join the Discord, you gotta join every single one of their social media channels to ensure that you get up-to-date information about Big Town Chef. Guys, I'm not a financial advisor. Please make sure to do your own due diligence before investing and never invest more than you're willing to lose. I make tons of different reviews and overviews of play-to-earn games and different NFTs. And the reasons I do that is to make sure that every single person has up-to-date information and reliable information. You can check them out on my channel, The Educational Network. You can let me know what you think by commenting in the section below on YouTube or on Facebook, on Instagram. I will definitely reply back to you. If you want to speak to me directly, you can. My WhatsApp number is available in the About Us section of my channel, The Educational Network. You can head over there, get my number, and drop me a message. I will definitely reply back to you. If you have not subscribed to my channel, guys, do subscribe to my channel, and do not forget to press the bell icon and share this video with your friends and your families on Facebook, on WhatsApp, so more people can find out about the amazing play-to-earn game Big Town Chef. Stay tuned for my next video. Until then, take care. Allah Hafiz.